how to download Facebook video on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the topic that says how to download Facebook video on Android. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, before starting anything, let me tell you that you can only download videos that you own directly from Facebook. For other videos, you can't download directly from the Facebook app. For that, you need a downloader website or the third party app, which is totally not recommended. So, here, if you want to download your own videos, what you can do is just go to the video section, and from there, you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right side of the post. And now, from the pop-up menu, what you can do is you can just tap on save reels, or if you want to download it on your device, then you can simply download by tapping on download reels option. And that's all about it. While you can download your own videos from Facebook app, you can't download the videos from other creator from the Facebook app. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.